Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to maximize your Bitcoin security with Bither application. First step is to use cold storage for large amount. If you are holding a significant amount of Bitcoin, it's best to use Bither cold storage feature. This keeps your private key offline, protecting them from hackers. You can sign the transaction using your offline cold wallet and broadcast them with your online hot wallet. This way, your keys never touch the internet. You can also use a strong and unique password. Set a complex password and avoid reusing your password. Tip number 3 is to back up your seed phrase. Write it down offline. When setting up your Bither wallet, you will receive a seed phrase. Write it down and store it in a secure offline location. If you have forgotten a seed phrase, open your application and click on the wallet to view its seed phrase. Now click on 3 dots at the top right corner and click on Private Key Management. Here, click on Private Key and type in your password. After that, click on OK button and it will display your private keys. Never share a seed phrase with anyone and don't store it digitally, such as in cloud services or email, as this can be compromised. Regularly update your application. Always update your Bither application to the latest version to ensure you have the latest security patches and improvements. And that is how you can maximize your Bitcoin security with Bither. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.